social commercial platform for collectibles. Register now at their booth to get videos of football, Lego, stickers, toy collectibles, and many more. And you register now at their booth to win instant prizes such as stickers, button pins, and who knows, you may win of the Immortals, which is located at their